welcome to Pergola Nurseries, Virginia, and our 1 minute plant of the day. It doesn't look much, but this is a fantastic hydrangea. It's a dwarf hydrangea called Bobo, a relatively new variety. Starts to flower in June and finishes in October. And like all panicle hydrangeas, this fellow will get a real severe haircut around the middle of March, and then we start to feed them with Flower Max to make sure we get lots of flowers on Hydrangea Bobo. You can grow it in a big pot or container or out in open ground. It starts in flower first when the flowers come out, they're white, and then as the year moves on into midsummer, late summer and autumn, you get a little hint of pink in the flowers, and the flowers are enormous. Height, realistically, decent, metre high by about a metre across. It's a reliable variety and nice and tidy and compact. This is the time of year to plant Hydrangea Bobo. So you dig a decent sized planting hole with a bit of super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. Give Hydrangea Bobo a good haircut every mid-March, and then start to feed it with Flower Max for non-stop flowers from June until October every year. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.